with me, it comes from everything from cameras to 3D printing, which I have my 3D printers in the back, and the Venn diagram of those things meshing together, because there's plenty of items that I've already created for 3D, or better said, a bunch of items that I've already designed and created for cameras with 3D printing. So I would definitely tell you to check out like any one of my other social medias, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook. I actually did a series just last month of 30 3D prints in 30 days, and they're all available for download for free if you have your own 3D printer, so that you can just print out the designs and use them yourself. All available at my website, mrcamerajunkie.com, which is my fourth wall site, where you can find my merch. You can support me directly, but that's where you could also find all of my STL files that you can use on your 3D printer. So that's all of the things that I do, and I do it all very enthusiastically. So